Eat. Ay, ang galing naman talaga. Dekatas kasi. Wow. Ay, nagpapakitang gila sa ata kay mami. Binibidyoan eh. Galing-galing naman. Tapos inom ka ng kape.
Coffee.
Oh, hindi niya ginagalaw. Hindi niya ginagalaw yung cup ko eh.
You want some coffee? No.
Sabi niya, At ito naman, diba gagawin niya to? Anong gagawin mo dyan? Hindi, iinumin niya yan ng gano'n.
Ay, wag mo. No. Helen, no.
Sabi niya, nahihirapan na daw kasi siya.
Ay, no playing, sweetie.
Enough na, baby. You want water?
What daw?
Water. Water. You wanna drink water? Oh, careful. You hold.
No. You hold, baby. No.
Two hands. Yeah, 2 hands. Okay.
Wow.
Very
yung
good.